Hello everyone. Today I just got my new headlamp. It comes with 5 LED here. Okay, I don't have the manual or information about it. It just says 5 LED. Okay, and the seller told me that these LED are niche here, but I'm not sure about it. Okay, but I really like this headlamp. I got it about it's about almost $10. Okay, almost $10. Um, very floody. Okay, let's see. I'll turn on my headlamp. Okay, here. This is level 3. Okay, this is level 3. Very floody and very wide. Okay, like this. Very floody. There are 5 levels, okay, of brightness and turbo. Okay, let me show you the level 5. Okay, turn off, turn on, and click again. This is turbo. Very bright. Look at that. Extremely bright. Wow. Look at that. I'll double click to go to turbo. Okay, like this. It will be a little bit more, a little bit brighter, and then step down. You see that? It step down. Okay. Double click again. Oh, it still have. Ah, I see. It has strobe mode after the turbo. Ah, I see. And slow flash. And then beacon. Okay. At the beginning, I thought the flashlight doesn't have blinks mode. Okay. Okay. Here, level 3, level 5. Okay, here. Double click turbo. Like this. Okay. I'm not sure how long for the turbo before it step down. Okay, now I'm walking with the turbo. Extremely floody. I can see things within 50 meters, I think. Okay, here it stepped down to, I'm not sure, level 3 or level 4. Let me check. Okay, about level 4. Okay, this is level 3. 2, 1, 5, 4. Here, about level 4. Yes, it stepped down to about level 4. Okay, I really like it. Okay, you can use it as headlamp or by lights. Okay, very good. Okay, let's go into the forest and test this. Okay, now I'm in dark forest with my new headlamp. Okay, the 5 LED. Here is level 5, I think. Let me check. Okay, turn off, turn on again. Here, level 5. Okay, here, very bright. Let me check how long it will last for this level before it step down. Here, you can see how floody it is. Okay, I think it start to step down. Very bright. You will feel safe and see everything clearly with this headlamp. Now it's stepping down. I think it stepped down to level 3, I think, here. After, within 1 minute, okay, within 1 minute. Yeah, it do step down. It has step down function. Okay. But this is enough. Okay, this is enough. So I think it is a good headlamp. Okay, it seems to have temperature control. very good. Even the level 3 is good. When you turn it on, it will start from level 3. Okay. Turn off, turn on. Here, level 3. That's enough. Okay, for walking around. Okay, very bright. Let me show you the turbo again. Okay, 1, 2. Here, extremely bright, like a spotlight. I'm not sure how many lumens, but it's extremely bright. Maybe 2000 lumens. I'm not sure. It will step down within 1 minute. I can say within 30 seconds. Okay, it will step down to level 5. Maybe level 5. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yes, it will step down to level 5. Here, this is level 5. Okay, turn off, turn on level 2. I'm not sure. Okay, turn on here, maybe level 5 or 3, but actually it turned on level 3. Okay, here, click again. Oh, okay, this is maybe level 3, I think. Okay, okay, here, turbo. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.